In this tutorial, I will show you how to make social media app UI design using SwiftUI. This is the app we will make now. This is homepage. We have stories and also posts posted by users. So you can scroll to down to see how it's look like, and all informations getting from JSON file. We will make all this step by step. And also there is light mode version of this app. Alright, so let's start to make this app. Okay, first of all, we should have a JSON file to display our posts from profiles, from users. I will just add here, click finish. Okay, so we have JSON file in our project. So first, we will make a class to get this data to display in SwiftUI. So for that, first of all, I will make a new group and I will name it view model like this. Okay, open new file with Swift fetch data JSON. Okay, we should have a struct for post, struct post. Alright, so we just have this objects, and also we should make variables as here. We should be same in this object names. So I will copy and paste to here var image string. Alright, so just add my objects here, and also we should add coding keys here with coding key type. So type coding keys with coding key type like this, and type all objects again like this: case, image, case, like count, and others. Alright, so I just made my coding keys. So let's move to make a class for reading our data from JSON. So I will name my class read JSON data like this, and it must be observable object. Okay, so first we should call our post model here with published variable like this, published var post, our post model like this, and we should have a function to load our data. I will name my function load data, and also we should call our load data function here. Okay, so here we should tell our JSON file URL, guard let URL equal to bundle main dot URL. For resource, my file name, you should type your file name if it's different. My file name is posts. So with extension, it is JSON file type. Also, we should return else if file not found, like this, print JSON file not found. Perfect. So let's go down, type let data equal try. My data is URL we just made here. Okay, and also let posts equal try. So you should type JSON decoder to find our objects in our JSON file. Okay, we should find email, like count, and others here with JSON decoder. So for this, we will type JSON decoder.decode my post model we just made from our data. Perfect. Lastly, we should type here self post equal to posts like this. Okay, we have an error identifiable. We should add ID here, ID equal to UUID. Alright, so we can close this class. And also, I just showed you, we just have profile image and post images. I just gonna add my post image and user images. You can just add your images here it is 10 different images and also 5 images for user. Okay, so you can just add your images. Perfect, so we add image and let's move to home page. But before that, I can see there is an error. We should fix that. It is about here. We should type .self. Okay, so let's make new group for views. And inside views, we will add home view like this. Open new group and type components. Okay, first component is post list view. We have post list and also stories, so we should make different files for that. To display our post list, first we should call our class, so like this, observed object var post data equal to read JSON data, my class name. Okay, so here I'm gonna open vstack and also list to display our post data. It is just for test. We will redesign all this. Here type post in and post, let's display description like this. Alright, so our JSON and read JSON class, it's working. That's great. So let's make a design for our post. Okay, so here open new group again, type postcard, and inside this postcard group open new SwiftUI file. First of all, we have postcard and open new file again, postcard header, open new file again. This is last file for postcard body. Okay, so in postcard body, here I will open new vstack. First of all, I will display my image. First image, here type post 1. This is my image name. I just add here, you can see post 1, post 2, and post 10. So you can add your image name here. And let's redesign this image, resizable, and content mode, it must be fit. So lastly, I will make a rounded image, but we should add extension. I will open new file in social media tutorial. In main file, open new Swift file called extensions. Import SwiftUI here. Alright, so we finished our extension. Let's go back postcard and here type rounded corner like this, bottom left and top dot type right, and also bottom dot bottom right. Okay, so let's build and let's see. Okay, you can see it is rounded all just except left top. I can add padding to see better like this. Okay, so you can see with all posts also. Okay, image it's finished. Let's add buttons like button, like, comment. So I will do this with HTag. Image it is heard and also text. For example, let's type 245 likes. No problem, we will change this and add spacer. Add a new one, also spacer, new one. Okay, we need 4 buttons. So first it is heard, but we should add spacing 3. It is better, I think. Okay, second button, it is comment button. Perfect. So we will change these numbers with my JSON file, but later I will do that. Let's continue to make our design better. So lastly, we can add font size here, and also we have text for description. Let's copy one description here, maybe this. We will add line limit, multi-line text, leading, font size, and foreground color it is gray. I will add padding here for leading and 55 like this, because we will add profile image here. We will see that. Let's add alignment, leading, and also spacing 15 like this. Let's build. Okay, it's look better now. So I think we finished postcard body. So let's move to card header. First of all, I will open HTag and let's display image, profile image with maybe cat. Okay, it's too big. Let's redesign, resizable, and here fill, clip shape, rounded rectangle, corner radius. We will add corner radius, maybe 10. Okay, it's too big. Let's make it smaller. I'll add frame, width 40 and height 40 also. Okay, it's look better now. Let's zoom in. Okay, like this, it is good. Let's move to profile name. So first, open new VStack. Okay, so let's copy name in my JSON to display here. So, and make it bold. Also, we will have profile ID for this, and font is footnote, and also text color it is gray. Okay, nice. And also let's add alignment leading. It should be better now. Okay, nice. So last icon we will add is more icon like this. Okay, so we finished postcard header also. So let's move to postcard to display all posts here. Postcard header and postcard body. Okay, let's see how it's look like, but first we should add a VStack like this. Okay, very nice. Okay, perfect. It's working nicely. Okay, now it is just custom image and name and also numbers. Let's get these informations from JSON file. For that, go back to card header first, add 3 objects here, profile image, string, and also let profile name, also string, let profile ID. And let's change this text to our object like this, also profile name, profile ID. Okay, we can delete previous track. We don't need anymore. Let's make for postcard body 2. Okay, nice. Replace this object with this text. So here, because it is integer, we get errors. So for fixing that, we will add slash here. We should type integer variables like this. Also for others, I will do copy paste. For example, here it is comment count and view count. We don't need text for bookmark. So let's delete. Okay, we can delete previous also, but before that, I want to make a new extension for like count and comments and view count, because, for example, if we get 2200 count, I want to display this like this, 2.2k, okay, not 200, okay, 2.2k, or if it's million, 2 million m. Okay, so for this we should make a new extension. So I just made this extension. So if you want to use it, You can do copy paste from my GitHub account. Also, you can stop the video and type for yourself. Alright, so let's go back to card body. And for this, if you want to display for thousands K and for millions M, after like count, type formatted string and add for others also, like this. Alright, so now we can delete this previous postcard previews because we don't need anymore, and let's also replace description with this text. Okay, build your project. Here we will add our objects. So how to do that? We will not display list in this struct. We have another one. For this, we will add new objects for all card header and body. So let profile image string, also let profile name. For all you should do. Okay, so we just add object, and let's add for postcard header and body. Alright, so we can delete postcard previews. We don't need anymore. Okay, now we can display this post list view with our design. So for this, type postcard with objects. First post image. This is profile image. Profile name, post.profile name. This is from JSON. Profile ID also, post.profile ID. Alright, perfect. So I just add all objects variables to my postcard. So let's display all informations with my JSON file. Alright, so we can see our post, but we don't need this white background. So for deleting this, type here list style. It will display like this. Okay, great. It is displaying very nice. So lastly, we should add our stories profile. So for that, again, we will open new component file like this. It is story list view. And let's open new group again for story card. In story card, we have two files. First, it is story card, and also add story card. This is for adding new story button. Let's start with add story card. It is so much easy. We will add vstack and image. I will use this image with system name plus dot circle. So we have this plus button. We will redesign this. Font, it should be title. Foreground color, it will be white because we will add background color. And frame with 60 maybe. Height also 60. Background color dot blue. And let's make rounded. Clip shape, here we will type circle. Okay, nice. Okay, so we finished story card. Add story card actually. And let's make story card. Also, I will open new vstack image. Let's add profile image, for example. Let's add cat. This is one of my profile pictures. Here you can see, and let's redesign resizable. Here it must be fill. Also, let's add a frame with height, with its 60 and height it is 62. Clip shape, it is rounded. Circle like this. And I will add overlay color, open overlay and circle. Overlay color. Perfect. Let's go to story list view to display our stories with horizontal list. First, we should call our class to display images, profile images from JSON file. So here, observed object variable post data again equal to read JSON data. I will add here scroll view to display horizontal and make this false. Open HStack. First, I will add story card, and also I will open new for each. Open for each and type post data dot post in. We have story card, so it is displaying perfectly, but we should display all other images also, not same. For this, go back to story card and add a new variable like image string and replace cat with this. Delete this preview, we don't need anymore. Go to story list and add image post dot profile image, and now let's run again. Okay, so nice, it's working nicely, great. And also I will add offset x to maybe 15. Okay, so we have space from left. Go to home page to display all this we made now. I will open new navigation view, open new scroll view, story list view. But before making this, we need to change list to for each, because scroll view with list, it's not working. Don't worry, it's not looks great, but when you display in home view, it is looking great as we did. So here type post list view, type post list view like this. Okay, nice. Now we need to add padding to post list view. Also add padding top to postcard. So lastly, let's add button bar and navigation bar. So we have navigation view here, and let's add navigation title first, and also navigation bar items. We can't see because we should add under scroll view, not navigation view. Now we should see. Okay, nice, very nice. So when you scroll down, you can see the navigation bar is switching to here. I will scroll slowly. Yeah. Okay, nice. Everything is working perfectly. And lastly, let's add the button bar here. So close all folders and files. Open new file here. Name it tab bar view. Open tab view tag like this. So we have home view, and under home view write tab item. Okay, and choose a system name icon. I will use square stack dot fill like this, square dot stack dot fill. Now it's working, you can see. Let's add others, like you can add here empty view or text. You can just add text like this, for example search view, and third it is new post, and the last one is profile view. Okay, let's change system names. Let's see how it's look like. Okay, nice, very nice. So we can add accent color. If you want to change blue to another color, I will use maybe brown, or any color you can use it. Okay, so we just finished our social media app UI design. So you can change content view if you want to run your app to tab bar view. In this case, when you run your app, you can see the whole app we just made now, tab bar view. Okay guys, so it was the video. Thanks for watching.